Hello friends, it's Larry. So today we are doing a super quick plan with me, and it's for the week of February 5th through the 11th. And this is the artwork I chose for my printable stickers. This is by Victoria Thatcher. I will have a link for her below. But this is just so cute. Namaste. It's a yoga layout. And I'll try and make this fit here, but I also want you to be able to see the details. Look at the colors. I love, love, love the colors. I think what really got me was this header. Look at that purple. And inhale love, exhale hate. Love it. The candle, somebody doing a handstand. That's not me. And so this is the free printable artwork that I used. I took this PDF file from Victoria's webpage. I imported it into Cricut Design Space, and I turned it into stickers, which I then printed and cut on my Cricut Maker. So this is what we're going to use. Again, it's February 5th through the 11th. Before we get started today, I want to remind you that today is the last day to enter for our first giveaway, which is a mini happy planner. If you haven't entered yet, please go to the link. I'll have a link right here below. And all you have to do is answer 2 questions in the comment, and that's it. You are entered to win a free happy planner. The winner will be announced on Saturday, so don't miss this opportunity. We've only got a few entries. You've got a really good chance of winning, and I cannot wait to give our first prize away. So thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not a subscriber yet, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and please leave comments if you have questions. Tips, if you make your own stickers and you have a good resource for free printables, share it with the team, and I think that's it. So please don't forget, enter that giveaway. Today is the last day. I'm giving it away. The winner is announced on Saturday, and once we get up to 100 subscribers, we're going to have a huge giveaway. I can't wait. All right, guys? Pull up a chair, grab your cocktail, get comfortable, get your happy planner or whatever planner you happen to be using, and let's have some fun. I'm going to turn on the music and we'll get started. this is it. This is my layout for February 5th through the 11th. The artwork again is from Victoria Thatcher. I think it turned out really cute. I keep getting my pages a little busier, I think, than I'm attempting, but I do have quite a few stickers left over, and it's just, you know what, it's just functional, and it does work for me. As I work through the week, they do look a little full on the pages, but I still have plenty of room to write actual appointments and whatnot, so I'm happy with it. I love it. I think it turned out really cute. I hope you like it too. Please give Victoria a thumbs up and check out her website. I'll have linked below. And again, if you haven't entered my giveaway, please do. That happy planner will be announced tomorrow. Today is the last day to enter. There will be a link below to that video. Watch it. It has the full instructions, which are very, very simple. It's basically, please be a subscriber and leave a comment answering 2 super simple questions. Questions are, what kind of planners are you using right now for 2018? Planner or planners if you use multiple. Second question is, what would you like to see on my channel? So just leave those comments on that particular video, not this video, and you're automatically entered just by answering those questions and commenting and being a subscriber. So please check that out for your chance to win a happy planner. And I think that's it. I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you for being here with me. I appreciate you very much. I am still trying to build up to 100 subscribers so we can get to our big giveaway. And I think that's all I gotta say. Namaste. Have a great week. And I will see you in the next video. Be thankful, be kind, and keep living light. Bye.